Hello traders, today we will take few trades. If you check here, I have opened a OTC pair. Just now I have gone with buyers. Why? If you check here, the market has came to an buying zone. If you see just now the market, by seeing itself you can say ranging. Okay, last 15 candles or whatever it is, the market itself it's in a range. So you have one major support and resistance. In between the market is making movements. Okay, so try to understand why I have gone with buyers here. So whenever you are taking trades, try to understand the scenario first of all, later entry for the take trades. Let me plot the support area here. You can check here, this is my support, and I will plot it as a zone because this area is full of zone. So easily we can win this trade. Okay, here 50-50 chance for the next candle. Why? Here I will show you one thing. Let me go with buyers with margin of safety only. Okay. Okay, I got nice entry. Here, one thing you need to notice. One, we are in a strong momentum of the sellers. Second thing, the buyer zone is also a strong one. By seeing itself, you can say that both the points have equal opportunities, that both the candidates can come. So that's why I have mentioned before itself, it is a 50-50 area. Every time it won't occur, sometimes only. So try to understand. And why I have gone preference for the buyers means already most of the time the momentum is didn't expecting a retracement. So in that case only I am trying to go with buyers here. You can check the previous momentum also. You don't find any retracements. But here the candle also strong. So with that reason, with margin of safety only I have gone with buyers. So try to understand what I'm talking about. Okay, at last, oh, it's really my entry, good entry. Really, it's a good entry. 0.1 we got win. Okay, now I will go with buyers again because already we have hit the buyer zone. So I can expect a U-turn from this area. We'll see what will happen because sometimes the market could break down because sometimes the market would reverse. Here the market overall it's a ranging. So I have a confusion that sometimes after momentum you all know that sometimes we will get the trend continuation, sometimes we will get the green red pattern, sometimes we can see the 2 red 1 green, these kind of patterns you can see. So we have to check what will happen. We'll see whether we will or not. Okay, if you have any doubts regarding binary trading, yeah, you can message me in the Telegram. Obviously, if in this videos, if you have any doubts, yeah, try to watch once again. Still, if you have doubts, then you can contact me in the Telegram. Okay. So try to understand what I'm talking about. See, the sellers have been entered. So here we got loss. Now don't go with sellers again. Here go with buyers because sometimes one or two retracements as expected. I have mentioned you before things. So maybe the market has entered to the same area but closed exact at my buying zone which was previously working. You need to remember this thing. So you need to understand each and every point. Don't go blindly. If the market has made a new low means, then you can go with a selling candle. But here the candle was made with a strong point. But here there is no candle was weak. So you can't go blindly here. You could wait. But here try to go with buyers because we are in a buying zone. Sometimes these kind of things will happen in the market. The market has fulfilled the area, so that's why you got one more candle. Okay, maximum the market will reverse instantly. Maybe one more candle we have got here. Okay, now what could be the next candle? See, here we got win. Now can I go with buyers or sellers? What is your call? Here I will entry. I want to go with sellers, but entry I got missed. Okay, I will take a reversal trade if I get a nice opportunity. Why I am taking? Okay, I got nice entry. Let me take a trade. One second. I will go with buyers, but the candle will be selling candle. Here, if you notice one thing, the market is trying to make buyers. But if you notice, the candle was rejected from the selling area, which was previously 2 candles was formed, right? Obviously, so from that area is what rejected, and it was at the area only. No new high, no new low, nothing. So here you can't expect blindly, and here the pattern could be started, which means red green pattern, which means the market could move sideways. Okay. So obviously, see, my entry point made me win. See, it will close exact at those kind of areas because I have seen these kind of similarities so many times. So that's why only I have taken a reversal trade for the. Now, as expected, I will follow the pattern. We all know that red green. So that's why exactly the market has been closed at the same area and it was rejected from the both the sides. Obviously, I will go with a buyers only. If this pattern was continuous, I will change the chart. Let's see what will happen. Okay, because I want you to confuse regarding. I want to stick you at this zone, this kind of zones only, because most of the times this won't appear. If it appears, they will work perfectly. But every time the market won't be at the sideways. So try to understand. After, if possible, next candle I will try to change. See, obviously the buyers are getting stronger here. Okay, finally we got win. Okay, now should I change the chart? Okay, here same scenario. Here there is no. Okay, here Euro JPY. Okay, still there is a gap. We are in a momentum. Can I go with sellers, right? Okay, check. Okay, I will do one thing. I will go with sellers here because I am in a selling momentum with perfect entry and still there is a gap for the buying area. Okay, we'll see what will happen. So I think you have been cleared why I have gone with sellers. We'll see what will happen. Because most of the times I will follow the momentum whether it is win or loss because it will work maximum some 1 or 2 times. Still there is a gap, so that's why only maybe the market could fulfill the gap. So obviously I will try to go with sellers. That's it. Nothing much to think here. See, at last the buyers are interested. Finally we got lost once again because see, I have taken perfect entry only, but I can't say this thing. Okay, I will do one thing. I will go with buyers, but I have a one more doubt. Same scenario like previous with margin of safety only, like the first or second trade. Same scenario. Left side strong momentum, right side also strong momentum. We have to think what will be the scenarios. So I have taken the entry below the support level. Maybe if it was a selling candle, obviously it will close exact at the support level. If the buyers are strong, obviously it will make a buying candle. So that is the point here. So try to understand what I'm talking about. So whenever if you get these kind of scenarios, yeah, maximum try to wait. But if you have more clarity, yeah, it will make if you get nice entry point like this means, yeah, go with the flow. Okay. Previous, all of a sudden the buyers have been entered. Welcome to OTC. Okay. I think this is my last candle. After this winning, I will close the session. Okay. I think you have understand what I have done trading today. Okay guys, finally we got win. See, the sellers have been entered. My entry point made me win. Okay guys, have a nice day. Thank you. Take care.